Bakwethu balaphi bendabuko ngithi njengoba kuyi Friday njena nginesimemezelo kini nonke. Ngicela ukuthi le video lena ni like ni save ni share ni sendele bonke abalaphi bendabuko. Ngiyazi abanye benu ninabogogo nabomkhulu abanganawo TikTok nalabo abangekho ku social media ni save nibalalelise nibatshele ngalesimemezelo esenziwa yimi namhlanje ngolwesihlanu. Bakwethu kune campaign eranako for abalaphi bendabuko. It doesn't matter ukuthi ukuyiphi inhlangano i-organization or association. Lena it's inkulumo emele bonke abalaphi bendabuko ezweni nationwide ukuthi kune campaign eranwako kune committee erana that campaign. I'm also part of it. Different organizations lana we are not promoting ama organization, sikhuluma ivoice, sikhuluma ilanguage yodvana. La sizorana campaign yokuthi kufanele solwisana nalama regulations abafuna ukusinika wona without proper engagement and consultation nabalaphi bendabuko. Bafuna ukusimodernize, abasikhiphe basishintshise into yesintu sethu. Number 2, siyolwisana nalendaba yokuthexwa kwenyanga that is not fair. Namalungelo wethu ezabalaphi bendabuko ukuthi within the system ka government ifanele singene, kodwa singene kahle ngokuhlonipheka nangendlela efanele singene ngayo, bangasiguqule. Angithi ngibona le campaign ikhona. Ngicela nithathe le video ni spread country yonke, doesn't matter which organization you are with. Nifakiwe nami kule committee because imetho stands for amalungelo nokulungiswa kweinkinga ekhona kubalaphi bendabuko nokuhlonipheka nokubuyisa isithunzi sethu sibalaphi bendabuko. Ngiyacela kakhulu youth ningahlali because you will wake up one day Minister of Health sekayisayinile lama regulations. You will end up one day ubhadala 1,000 rand a year because of ukuthi wena umlaphi wendabuko. You will end up one day uvuke uthiwe ubhadala 5,000 rand per year ngoba wena uyathwasisa. Siyawazi umsebenzi wedlozi ukuthi uyisima kanjani when it comes to imali. So asihambe asivuke, savani, ni like le video, ni spread. Nilalelise mathwasa, nilalelise bogobela, nilalelise magedle, nilalelise wonke umuntu ngisho nalabo basemakhaya bangana wifi ukuthi asihlanganeni sonke sibe imbumba sibe into eyi1. Ukuthi uphuma kuyiphi inhlangano doesn't matter. Angithi ngibona asibambisane bangoma, asibambisane izinyanga, asibambisane balaphi bendabuko. Save and like and spread this video. I thank you all.